Find or read reviews that people are talking for BUSYSIR Kids Beach Folding Camping Chair. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Unmatched comfort. The beach folding chairs have been tested and improved by us to achieve the most comfortable human posture. So that your child can get the most perfect relaxation on the beach chair, let your child have a cozy leisure time is my common wish and yours. Strong and lightweight materials. Our children's camping chairs are made of sturdy steel material, which guarantees that your children will not be in danger even if they play around on the chairs. Of course, we also take into account the lightweight of the folding chair, which shrinks and unfolds in a second to reduce your traveling burden. More relaxing time. This beach folding chair has been designed by us to be easy to use no matter you are at the beach lawn garden. This folding chair also includes a mesh cup holder to keep your child hydrated at all times. Avoid sunburn. The folding chair is equipped with a suitable sunshade to protect your child's skin from strong UV rays even while relaxing at the beach. The sunshade can also be combined into an umbrella by the handle. The 2-in-1 design saves more space. Safe and easy to clean. The beach chair has a variety of triangular structures and 4 support feet with anti-slip design, which has super stability and can adapt to a variety of terrain. The fabric is made of high-grade Oxford fabric, safe, non-toxic and wear-resistant and anti-scratch, can be cleaned with mild soap and water. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.